Hi everyone, this is Team Quarantine Commandians and we are recording this video to give our submission for the FrostHack 2021. So before even demonstrating our product, I would like to emphasize on the problem that we are trying to solve. So we all know that vaccines have come to the market recently, but their distribution is still subject to question to many risks. So one of the primary risks is the originality of vaccine, by which I mean that what is the guarantee that the vaccine that is given to the citizen is counterfeit or not. The other concern regarding the vaccine is whether it is expired or not. And another concern regarding the vaccine is its damaging. So as we all know, there are different vaccines that are being distributed. Each of them has a different temperature range in which the APIs of the vaccine, that are the active pharmaceutical ingredients, alive. So if the vaccine is exposed to a temperature, say even higher or even lower than what the temperature is required for the APIs to stay alive, then the vaccine is actually damaged. And even though the vaccine is given to a patient, it is definitely not a good idea. So these are the primary concerns. So the main concern that we have identified is the trust. So how can a citizen trust that whatever vaccine he is getting, it is actually none of these, that is neither it is expired, damaged, and nor a counterfeit. So for this we have actually come with the solution that we have named as assurance. So this is the typical supply chain management system that exists in the society. So there is a manufacturer, he actually gives the product to the distributor on the basis of his order, and the distributor then sells it to the wholesaler, then the retailers and the customer. So in our case actually there is no wholesaler, instead there is a whole government lying over here. So what the thing is that if we give this data to citizen of tracking, like where the vaccine was, at what temperature it was stored, what was the actual expiry, what was the actual date of manufacturer, if the actual date of manufacturing, if this information is given to the customer, he can be actually ensured that whatever vaccine he is getting is correct. So for that we have used blockchain technology along with IoT to ensure that correct information is actually stored, it is immutable, and it is really hard to falsify. So this is our product. So here you can see we have given some codes to give the consensus of what the problem really is. Then we have a registration form, then we have a login form. So you can actually create your ID. So let me say abc@abcd.com. My name, let's say it's Piyush. Password, let's say 123. And then you can select a role. Based on your role, you will actually given some privileges. So if you are a manufacturer, then only you can add a product. If you are a retailer and distributor, you can only scan a product that a product has reached to you on so and so location at so and so temperature. And if you are a consumer, you can actually just scan the vaccine and get the data, like what was the vaccine destination all about. So let's say I select a consumer right here and click on get started. So this is my landing page. I can actually check a vaccine, and this is our about us page that I had shown you recently. So this is our team, Piyush and Ankit, and this is actually what we are trying to solve. So that's about it. And now I would like to log in into one another of my account. And I have actually registered with the manufacturer privileges. So here we can add a vaccine. So suppose I am given a vaccine, say I am preparing Covaxin. I will just click on register item. Now it takes some time for the Portis wallet to actually verify the transaction. So I have already logged into the wallet, so this will not give any issue. So we have signed into there has been success, and upon the success, like this site becomes, and we have seen a QR code, so we can actually save this image. QR, and the product ID was 2. Great. So Now someone is a retailer, then he will also get a privilege of scan vaccine. I due to time constraint I'll show it to here only. So this is a location. This is automatically fetched. We will give the vaccine ID, say it's 2. We'll just click on update, or we can even scan QR code. Let me do that. So where is the QR? I'm afraid it is not saved, so no worries. I'll enter 2. Click on update. The item was updated. Now I can go on to my consumer side. I can click on check vaccine. I can scan the QR code of the vaccine that I have received. I can either enter his ID, that will be also printed. So you can see, so the vaccine was Covaxin, registered by Piyush Goyal, manufactured on this and this, and these were the dates on which it received the retailer. This was the location. That was the. So that is all about our project. So we have used the Ethereum blockchain to develop this product, Otis Wallet to integrate, and Matic, Mumbai Matic chain, that is the network of the PCs that we are using to test our product. So that was basically about the tech stack. Thank you so much. We believe that this product will help to ensure safety and quality of products, and that is what is most important in this hard time of COVID. Thank you.